Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry by Pankaj Sir, full guide. Start by mapping the entire syllabus and noting high-weight topics. Use weekly blocks to alternate theory and problem practice. Focus on concept clarity first, then speed with timed exercises. Review mistakes immediately and maintain an error log. Use summary sheets for quick revision and test yourself with previous papers to build exam confidence. Adopt active study methods that make chemistry stick and feel natural. Explain topics aloud as if teaching someone else, and you will spot gaps quickly. Mix conceptual questions with numerical practice each session to balance understanding and technique. Schedule short reviews over days and weeks so reactions and formulas move to long-term memory. Keep practice consistent and gradually increase difficulty to build real confidence for exams. Choose resources that match your level and fill gaps efficiently without overwhelm. Combine a clear textbook for concepts with problem books for application and past papers for exam format. Use short video lessons to clarify complex topics, but always pause and try problems yourself before watching solutions. Regularly simulate exam conditions to improve timing and exam temperament. Review tests thoroughly to turn mistakes into growth opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.